Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, good morning. We are on a 2017 Infiniti QX60, and for the first time we're in a nice dark garage. You can see the screen. We're doing all keys lost, 5-button prox key. It is the FCC ID ends in 4014. Go to Mobilizer Smart System. Lights on, just wake the car up, scans quicker. Pretty easy programming job, just like every other Nissan. Just don't think we've done a video on one of these in a pretty good while. Take your time, bud. We got all day. Alright, remote control learning. I'm going to put this down here because it's helpful to see the lights on here when we get in there. You need to look for the that light that's blinking. You're going to need 5 flashes from that. So we go to Smart Key Learning. Blah blah blah. Click OK and then immediately attach the key. That should turn the ignition on. Keep pressing until it lights up. Did not light up. Current status of the ignition switch is off. Hit cancel. Turn the ignition off. It is off. Alright, press the start stop button once and the button flashes. Contact the logo of the key to it. It will light up. And that light will flash, buttons flashing. There we go. 5 flashes. Turn the ignition to the off position. Okay. We are basically done here. The buttons work. We're only adding this one key. She didn't have any for me to put back in, so we're just going to hit next. Same thing again. Just push it, flash, hold it on. One thing you got to be careful with these things is you get working on a short person's car and they got memory seats. It's going to put you right into the wheel. Alright, make sure the engine starts. There we go, engine starts. Turn it off. Remote works. I'm not going to test the hatch because we're in a garage and backed up to the wall. Alright, and we're done. Test remote start. Let's go over here. I don't know if it's because I'm in here or if she has an engine light. So, remote start, if the car has any engine lights, it's going to disable the remote start. So that might be our problem here. Or it might be because I'm in the car. But we are done with that. Easy job, 5-button prox key for the Infiniti QX60, I think.